So I'm going to show you how to update what you need to update for stars in the PD registry. You need to go to pakeys.org and then click on the PD registry login. Off to the side, you'll see a menu here. What you need to do first is click on the professional development plan. I already have 2 goals here. If you've already been working with us before and have done this before, your goals will be here from last year. If you have never worked in childcare before and never been in the PA keys, then you will not have anything here. And what you would need to do is come up here and click on tasks to create your first goal. So you would put in the description of your goal category, the action. So let me just show you what that would look like. My goal is to implement effective behavior management strategies for toddlers. So once I've typed my goal in, if you're just setting goals for the purpose of this development plan, then I would click Other. In your goal category, you would decide if you want coaching, if you're doing this to advance in the career pathway, or if you're doing this to obtain professional development hours. Most of you are going to click that, professional development hours, and then your action would be, this is asking how you're going to achieve your goal. Are you going to enroll and register in a higher education program or course? Are you going to complete pre-service training? Are you going to complete ongoing professional development? Or is it a goal where you're going to request coaching? And that can be done through STARS. Most of them are going to be complete ongoing professional development. And then you click Save and add another. And if you've don't have any goals and already, and this is your first time doing this, you need to select at least 2 goals. So you would go ahead and do that. If you've already have goals and you met those goals, and then you're going to create 1 or 2 new ones, the process is the same. If you already have goals and you have met them, then what you would need to do is come over here and click Complete. And then it will ask you, are you sure you want to mark this task as completed? If you've already met that goal and you don't want to keep it for this upcoming year, then you would click yes. And it removes it from your goals. So now I'm left with 2 goals. If you wanted to change a goal and keep it for the upcoming year, you would click on Manage. You can tweak it a little bit just by putting an intended outcome. You can add a little bit more information to it. You have to change it slightly in some way for it to renew and keep it as a goal. So you could just add a sentence down here. You can add a statement about what it is specifically that you would like to do. You can, if it's something from coaching, and maybe I already tried coaching, but now I would like to try professional development hours, I can change that. And once I've made a few changes to it and save the task, click Close, and it will be updated so that I can reuse it for the next year.